In this video, we are going to set up an SSH key to work with our new VirtualBox Debian virtual. So I'm going to go to my VirtualBox, and I've got Terminator open. I'm going to go become root, which is where I do all my work. Sudo su dash. Okay. Now during the setup, we did create an SSH key in here, but I'm actually going to remove it because if I go to Gitlab, you'll see that I already have an SSH key registered. So if I go to my settings and SSH key, I have my DevBox SSH key here, and if I scroll to the right, you can see it ends in P2LT Sean at DevBox. So I've already got a SSH key that I use on my Mac. Now I want to use that on my virtual. So what that means is I'm going to have to move that file over to my virtual. So I'm actually going to cd to my .ssh folder, and I'm going to remove pretty much everything that's in here. So now I have an empty SSH folder. Now I'm going to open a new tab, become root, and then I'm going to create a work in progress directory, and I'm going to copy my SSH keys here. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to do a secure copy SCP, the name of my Mac user, my Mac IP address, which is always 10.0.2.2, and then /users Sean Wright, SSH keys, devbox dot. Let me go check what that is. Devbox.zip. So going back to my virtual, devbox.zip, and I'm going to copy it to here. Okay. And then if I unzip this, it gives me my IDRSA and my IDRSA.pub. I'm going to move both of those to my .ssh folder. So now if I cap my IDRSA.pub, you can see I have that P2LT Sean at DevBox. So I've correctly configured my SSH key to match up with GitLab. That's one thing. There's one more thing though. I've got to do a git config. So there's a couple of commands that I have to issue to set up my Git user. And it's these two commands right here. So I'll copy those. Paste them here. Now I don't need this dollar at the front. And all right. And my email address. So now I'm configured. At this point, we have correctly configured our GitLab, and we should be good to go.